How's it going, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. If not, I hope I can make it a little bit better. And based on the video title, I'm sure you're probably either just curious or you need to replace your thermostat housing on your Mustang. And I need to do it because this happened to me. Yeah, overheated, blew up, and I was just stranded there. So I got it towed over here to the house. We're gonna pop up the hood and, let's just get started. Let's see what we need to do. And I'm no mechanic, I'm not a professional, so don't come at me saying I'm doing something wrong because I really don't know what I'm doing. But I think I got the general idea. Oh my God. I got the general idea of what I need to do. Okay? So, we're just learning here, okay? Both of us. So let's go outside. So yeah, it's still kind of wet. That part got wet. And as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see this. Yeah, that is not supposed to be doing that. It should be sealed all the way, and it's not. So let's just go ahead and take that out. So first things first, we're gonna take this air intake out. From the looks of it, looks like you don't need any fancy tools. So, like I said, we're learning. We're gonna try this together, and that's that. Okay. First off, let's loosen this up. And let's loosen this up. Okay, so let's just go ahead and there's this sensor right here, which you could, I'm sure, just, okay, I don't know how it honestly locks. I was just able to pull it out and it came out. So I don't know, maybe something's broken with mine, who knows. But just put it off to the side. Everything's up. Oh, there we go. It should come off fairly easily. Okay, there we go. Nice. So we took this off. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's the throttle body or throttle. I don't know what it's called. Something throttle. Okay, guys, we're learning here. Okay. Anyways, so we're gonna take off this sensor. Just pull back on. Can you see? Pull back on it. Take it out. Oh, press. I'm good. Oh yeah, press and take out. Wow, nice. Okay. So that's off. There's also another sensor over here. There's this other sensor right here, which I'm sure. Oh, it looks like it's just coming out. Huh? Well, what do you know? It just came out. So just pull on that one. And then now we're gonna remove 4 bolts. That one, this one, and that one. Yeah. They are going to be an 8mm. That's that. Okay, so basically what I'm saying here is, maybe get the bottom ones first because it might make things easier as opposed to how I'm struggling right here. So get the bottom ones first, then the top ones. Okay, there we go. Does this look like a healthy throttle body to you? I don't know. It's just questions I have. Okay, so we got that out. Okay, now we're gonna remove this hose, which I forgot to get clamps, but I'm also gonna get saran wrap to cover this up. Okay, so now we have to remove this tube and one back here, which I will move the camera right now. But just get yourself some pliers. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this one out as well. So same thing, get your pliers. Yes, let's take this tube out. Okay, so y'all see that tube? I think we need to remove it as well. So same thing, let's just go ahead and grab our pliers. Get it to fit there. Jesus Christ. I'm sure that's out of its way. So now we're gonna remove these 3 bolts. I don't know what size, I think they're 8 as well. Yeah, these 3, we're gonna have to remove them. All I did was take out this clip, and all you have to do is put pressure on this right here, put pressure, pull it up, and then it's off. There we go, guys. Just a little maneuvering that you need to do. Okay, there's that other tube at the bottom we talked about that's holding it down, but I'm sure, yeah. That's some quick maneuvering styles. I'm just gonna, but yep, came out. As you can clearly see, it was definitely broken. Don't know what happened there, but hey, what can you do? Life happens. And here is the new one. Much cleaner, much better. Everything seems to be sealed. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it on there. Okay, so I was worried whether it came with a seal here, but yeah, definitely a seal there. The thermostat, I'm sure, well, I'm sure you can't see it, but there's, yeah, we gotta get the part for this from the other one, which all you have to do is remove these pins. Jeez, had to use the pliers on the other one. It comes with an O-ring, guys. Guess you have to take out that one. Is that what it is? You have to take out that one. Oh yeah, that other one just broke to pieces. Look at that. So I'm guessing that goes in here. What do you know? It looks like a little big, but I'm sure with the pressure and everything, I'm sure you don't want it smaller than that. So yeah, that's good. So we're gonna put it back in there with the other one. And then we're just gonna have to put the clamp back down. Alright, everything is on there again. I recommend on that sensor to put it the opposite way as what I did, so it could just make it easier when you're actually attaching it back. Put it back and let's start it up. I'm just kidding, guys, don't do that. Oh, okay, oh, y'all saw that? Y'all saw that movement? These two going like that. Okay. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. And then put the bottom one in there. Oh yeah, it's all coming together now. All right, so all I'm trying to do is line up this first one, since it's the easiest. But I should probably put this plug it in there first. And then what I do is to myself. Oh, okay. Plug that one in. Everything's in. All I'm saying here is that it's best if you put all 3 screws in the housing first before tightening any. And I know I'm getting a mic to make it sound better, so next video would be a lot better, guys. Once you feel them drop, that's when you know they went in. Just go over them once more just to make sure they didn't get loose while tightening the others. And now just to put the hoses back. Yep, plastic is over, clamp is on it. Let's go. Just don't know how that works, but hey, it works. So let's put that one back in. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, everything seems to be clamped in. Now let's remove this and put the throttle body up in there. Oh God, I don't remember. Oh yeah, no, yeah, it went like this, because this went over here, and that little one went. Yeah, okay, yeah, we got it. Babe, if you see this, I didn't use your chongos. Oh God, I'm gonna wash it, I swear. Okay, now we're just trying them. Doesn't move. Everything seems to be staying still. Let's go ahead and put this back. Push that. And don't ask me why I painted this. I didn't. This is how I bought it, okay? So don't judge me. Jesus Christ. Alright. Get on in there, mister. Okay. That's in there. Alright, let's start it up, see if we don't blow up. Okay, that squeaky sound, I'm sure it's coming from the belt. I need a new one either way, but I'm sure it got wet, that's why. Yeah, everything's working out fine. Let's take it out for a little drive. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. And yeah, let's go. Okay, everything so far so good. What I'm scared of is turning on the AC, but I need to, you know, check if it's gonna be okay. So, and yes, we need to fix that as well. I hate that noise. I hate it, but you know. Okay, everything so far circulating here. Okay, we're feeling a good breeze. Let's go ahead and let's just start driving, I guess. I don't know what else can we do, right? But drive. Let's give it a little bit of gas, nothing too crazy. Okay. Everything still feels fine. I'm just checking up on the temperature because, guys, I got scared. I'm traumatized. Like, that was me. That was me when my car overheated. Sorry, guys. Sure is a little bit less than halfway. That's how I like it. That's how I like it. Yes. Yes. We did it, guys. We did it. Hey, look, a new Tahoe, I believe. Hey, oh God, guys, the battery, what's going on? What's going on? Hold on, guys. Gotta put you on hold. So all I did was turn off the car and turn it back on. But y'all saw that battery? Oh, why is it doing that, guys? Y'all know why it's like wanting to die? The battery seems to be fine. Oh, look, the Challenger. Noise. I probably should be focusing on my car. Thankfully, I got home, but it just died. That's what happened earlier, and I didn't even notice. But it just dies. Can it stay on while parked? Okay, so I mean, everything's working fine. Nothing's going bad. Everything's connected over there. I checked, and everything seems fine. I don't know why it died. Maybe y'all can help me explain that. But you know, it definitely is smelling weird in here. It just smells so weird. Like, I can't pinpoint the smell. I can't pinpoint what it smells like. I don't know. Okay, guys, I was just joking about that, honestly. If y'all do smell something weird in your car and your windows are up, please get out. Don't stay in there. You don't know if it could kill you. It does smell weird because of the intercooler, I guess, evaporating up in front on the engine because it exploded. But either way, I am getting out. I'm not going to stay in here just because of that fact. that it does smell weird and I don't want to die. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more because I will be posting more. So I'll see y'all till then. Peace.